Hey friends, it's Akidiris. Today I was out grocery shopping and remembered something. Fruit in Japan is expensive. Like, really expensive. I don't care how cute these strawberries are, $60 for a pack is a crime. So I decided to go out and buy a bunch of expensive fruit and use my culinary skills to try and make one of the most expensive fruit salads I'll probably ever have. So I bought this pack of fruit and this pack of fruit, and the staff actually made us wait an hour because they needed to apparently call a professional gift wrapper to come and pack it all up. So I would have told them that it didn't need to be wrapped, but Japan is a little complicated with that kind of stuff. And you see, fruit in Japan is seen as a really luxurious gift. Also, the land in Japan apparently isn't as great when it comes to growing fruit, so a lot of more time and care is put into it. So that's why these fruits are expensive. So I've heard anyway. But the real question is this: how will it all taste? Is it really that different from normal fruit? So I'm going to be tasting them, combining all of them, and making myself a hopefully delicious
fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
Look how bougie that looks. That looks like better than any Christmas present that I've ever gotten. This is actually why fruit is so expensive in Japan. Japan has a gift-giving culture, and fruit has just become the face of giving gifts in Japan, but this is all fruit. I'm gonna start off with this one. So if you give, let's say, a melon to somebody in Japan, you'll probably get like a really crazy reaction from them being like, a melon? No, you can't give this to me, this is too expensive. We're about to have a $150
fruit salad.
Like, it's like I'm about to open up like an expensive purse. There you go. There is the fruit. Yeah, it was somewhere between 4,000 to 7,000 yen. I cannot justify the price range of these fruits. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, okay, that does look pretty good. I don't know $150 worth, but it smells like normal fruit. I'll start off with the apple. All right, let's look at the inside. Is it made of gold? Nope. And with seeds. Dude, if I'm paying $10 for an apple, I want it to be de-seeded. Here you go. Joey, you want to try one?
Yep.
Okay, you know what? That's f***ing sweet. Holy shit. Bro, that is...
It's good, but realistically, if I close my eyes and you gave me that as opposed to like a regular apple, I don't think I could tell the difference.
I get the sweetness from like a really good green apple. Like if I can find a really good green apple, it gets that sweet.
Yeah, it tastes more like a green apple than a
right?
red apple.
Scale of 1 to 10.
8. Like an 8, yeah.
8? Yeah, I go with like 8.5. I'm gonna put it in a bowl of water just to stop it from oxidizing. Girl dinner.
I really want a snack.
Huh?
I really want a snack. Ooh, banana.
Joey.
Sick.
Joey, I'm making a fruit salad.
Yeah, but I want a banana.
Joey, I just spent $150. Like I spent like $150 on fruit. You don't need a banana.
But is there a banana in there? I guess I'll take the banana then. Thank you.
Joey, come back here. You don't need that as a snack. Why don't you can just like have one of these?
What's that?
Huh?
What is that?
Mochi and cookie from Sakura Co., which is the sponsor of this video! I know sometimes Japanese snack boxes can be a hit or a miss, but I've never really had that with Sakura Co., which is actually my personal favorite for a few reasons. For one, the stuff in it, it's good. As a local, I can attest that the packaging and snacks are pretty much the same quality as what I would usually have on picnics and hangouts with friends in Japan. And as a plus, Sakura Co. actually helps in partnering with local Japanese snack makers that have continued to share things like Japanese culture and the traditions that have been passed down for basically over 100 years. So for a monthly subscription, you are supporting local Japanese snack makers while also receiving authentic Japanese teas and snacks that are traditional and perfect for having a much closer and genuine experience to a Japanese tea time. And the theme for this month's box follows what's called the Autumn Moon Festival. Japan holds a lunar celebration that we call Tsukimi, and it's a time to honor the autumn moon and share special moments with loved ones. This month's box aims to capture the essence of that celebration by allowing you to indulge in authentic and savory sweets while enjoying a traditional moon viewing experience. As always, this month's box comes with a tableware item which is called the Tsukimi dish plate. My personal favorite was these little marshmallows that look like rabbits and the taiyaki, both of which pair perfectly with the Tsukimi green tea. The mochi is also good, a testimony not only said by me, but clearly you can see that Joey enjoys them too. Each box provides an information booklet with details on snacks, bits of Japanese culture, and allergens to be aware of. If you'd like to try anything that you've seen in this video and more, click down in the link in the description below to get your own Sakura Co box. You see that strip? That's like $5.
I love apple skin. My favorite snack.
Every peel has to be eaten.
I don't want to eat this.
There's your payment.
She feeds me well.
Let's do one peach. Just half? Okay.
Because again, I want to also just eat the fruit.
Sure. Ooh.
Ooh, that actually looks good.
And that also came apart really smooth. Usually I have a really hard time with peaches. Bro, that seed came out. Oh my god, that seed just fell out. Here you go.
Why give me the seed?
So, $10 peach, roughly. Let me try. It's good. Yeah. Me too, it's like my favorite fruit. You want some?
It's good, but...
I wouldn't say that that's $10. The only fruit that will like make me cream my pants is literally a mango from the Philippines.
Mmm, a mango.
I know that's like hella biased as hell,
Facts.
right? They're so sweet. So rate that out of 10. I give that like a 7. Nothing should be $10. Let's try the Japanese pear. So the one that was like a little bit apple shaped. I've actually never had these before.
It's so crunchy.
Nice coloring. That literally just looks like a pear that's just shaped a bit more like an apple.
Shout out to all the pear.
No, give me the pear first. Just throw the skin. I'm not your garbage disposal.
Okay, pear for me. It's like water. The texture's pretty good.
Texture-wise, probably the best nashi I've had.
Really?
I give that like a 6.
Yeah,
It's
me
like-
too. Texture, like a 9. Oh yeah, you guys like my peeler? This is like my favorite thing in the whole kitchen. Let's go represent Joey and the famous Australian oranges. Yeah, so what do you think about Australian oranges?
Good, I grew up on them.
Looks like a normal orange. Smells like an orange.
This way. Literally tastes like the oranges I grew up with.
This also tastes like everything I grew up with. I just feel like Japan really like overhypes fruit. Like I still don't get it.
Do you know how to eat an orange?
What? What's wrong with it?
Eat it.
I did!
That's not. You've left like most of it there. All the way to the skin.
Does anyone else eat their oranges like the way I just did?
No, at that point you're just drinking orange juice from the orange.
Kiwi straight out from New Zealand. $10 kiwi. Oh my god!
Pretty damn good kiwi.
I give that one like an 8.
Yeah, I'll give that like an 8 or a 9.
Okay, question. Do we want grapefruit in the fruit salad?
Yeah.
Really? I don't like grapefruit actually. It's like battery acid. Okay, $10 kiwi. Woo! And that is the grapefruit technique. My eye! Oh, really?
Ah, the acid.
Hippies be like,
Ah, the acid.
ah!
There we go. And then I'll just eat it like a giant apple. I mean, orange.
You're gonna use the grapefruit technique.
I'm using it on myself right now.
You're getting it all over your nonsense merch.
Nonsense.jp.
I really don't want grapefruit in the fruit salad. Boy dinner. You just want one piece?
One piece. Can we get my child so
high? Okay, well, I'll just like wrap this up for Joey for his boy breakfast, I guess. Here's your boy dinner.
Did you wrap it up?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Now for the piece de resistance, I don't even know what that word means. The most expensive fruit on the menu today, the red melon, rock melon, Japanese melon. The most luxurious fruits that you can give someone in Japan in the gift-giving culture. They would react more to this than an iPhone. And I'm about to cut it up just for us for my wonderful fruit salad that looks totally unappetizing right now. Does that look like $100? Oh my god. Show me what you've got, melon. Ooh. Oh, that is so sexy. I love melons so much.
Give me that. That was a lot of juice that just came out of my mouth. Oh yeah.
That's like a 9.
Oh yeah.
Japanese melons, don't miss.
We literally bought one the other day for like not even Like, what was it? Like 600 yen or something?
You have to really like melon, and I have to really like you to get this. So I have finally cut all of the expensive fruit. Now I know it doesn't look like it's worth $100, and that's because it's not, because it shouldn't. Yummy! Bon appetit. $100 fruit salad. Joe, you don't look very happy.
Have I told you I'm not a huge fan of fruit salad?
You knew I was making this video! You just now told me!
I'd rather just eat the fruits by themselves.
You're eating this! Also, I think my eyelash is in there.
That's good.
Hold on, let me try.
What else can I say? It's good.
If I brought this like a party, people wouldn't eat it, right?
Again, I'm not a fan of fruit salad to begin. I'd rather just eat the fruits separately. You see how much more fun I was having earlier when I was just eating the individual fruits?
Well, I wanted to make a fruit salad.
That's good. I'll eat it.
Yeah.
But I'm not like blown away.
It's okay. It's fine. I mean, it's good for the summer, but like, I agree with Joey. I think that these were better on their own. I don't know. Maybe I just like let them sit too long. I don't know what I did wrong. It's pretty hard to mess up a fruit salad. I'm not gonna ask you guys if you would eat it or not, cause like, that's all up to you. We're gonna go organize Pokemon cards now. Bye.